Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today I'm so excited to bring you this review on the TheBoan LLC cup turner that I got. This is a 4-cup turner that I received, and I am going to take you through everything that I got with my turner, what I love about it, and I'm also going to show you what it looks like in my current workspace. If you guys want to check out the TheBoan LLC shop, I will have a link down in the description box along with an exclusive discount code if you want to get your own turner. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so here it is. This is my new 4-cup turner from TheBoan, and I absolutely love it. Full disclosure, I've already opened this. I've already been using it. I did want to test it before I brought it on the channel. So I'm never going to endorse or promote a product on the channel that I don't absolutely love and 100% believe in. So full disclosure, just want to put that out there, okay? This is their latest model, okay? It does have upgraded motors. This one is $245 plus shipping. Okay, this one is actually $235, not $245. I made a mistake there, sorry. And this 4-cup turner comes with 4 different cup chucks. You get 2 20-ounce ones and 2 30-ounce ones. I've already been using mine a little bit, as you can see. And these cup chucks are great. If you've never used these before, they're a little bit different than the pool noodles or the footballs that you might be used to. So there is a little bit of a learning curve with these, but I do like them a lot. The most important thing to me is that they keep my cups on nice and steady and nice and level. And these did both of those things. So these are awesome. They just go on to the turner like this. These guys are on Etsy. Like I said earlier, I will have their website linked down below along with a discount code for you guys. So these just fit on here like that, and then you can tighten this little thumb screw or leave it off. It works either way. So if you're somebody like me who does most of their work off of the turner, this is a great system. That's why I really wanted to check these guys out, because it matched how I currently work with my current turner. So that is that. The screws for this thing are on the bottom, or not the screws, but the switches, and you have one individual switch for each individual motor, which is nice. And I'm just gonna switch this on so you can see. So quiet. This is like a Prius. Like, I don't even know that it's running. Let me get a cup on here so you guys can see how that is. If you guys watched my tutorial last weekend, we made this beautiful rainbow opal on this new cup turner. So this is a 10-ounce shorty from Craft Haven, and I'm using a 30-ounce skinny cup chuck, okay? And just fits right in there. And then when you turn this, it's going to expand this little thing here, okay? So these cup chuck arms are very versatile, okay? They fit a lot of different sizes, a lot more than I thought they would, okay? So it fits on there, and then this sucker is not going anywhere, okay? Like, it's really hard to get out. So once it's on there, it just fits right on. Look at that. And it's level, it's awesome, okay? They do back their products 100%. So you guys have a, I wanna say, what was it? 15-day money-back guarantee. So you have 2 weeks of this product being in your home with a money-back guarantee to make sure you love it, which I know that you will. And then they have a 6-month part replacement. So no questions asked, and that includes the motors. So if anything on this goes wrong within your first 6 months of owning it, they will fully replace the part, okay? So look at that. It goes so nice. I love it. And one thing that I've had problems with in the past with my pool noodles, which I normally use, and these short cups, is it was really hard to get my pool noodle to keep these short cups level. They were always a little bit askew, if you will, on the arm, and this one kept them totally level. Like, I don't have any kind of muffin top or anything on this cup, which is something that I previously struggled with these shorty cups. Okay, so love these new cup chucks for that. So look at it go. I just love to see this thing in action. And then look, you could put it up here on your drying rack. Perfect. Slide it back on. Okay, it's got a 66-inch cord. I also wanted to show you guys too, there is a, let me take these off first. I love the sound that they make when they come off. All right, so behind here are the vents. So it keeps those motors cool, because you guys know that these kind of motors, they do run pretty hot. Okay, there's my switches. I do like the switches below, so I know that they're not gonna get messy or epoxy on them accidentally. This is 7 inches by 7 inches, I think, width of feet, maybe 7 inches high. I'm not sure. But it is 28 inches long. So if you guys are short on space, this would be a great turner for you. I personally am very short on space. They also have a kit that you can get on their from their shop where you could stack these. So if you wanted to get a couple of them, I think they sell up to 6 cup turners. So they do have wider ones, but if you want more compact, you can stack them, which I like a lot. Okay, and so that is that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing. I think that's it. So I'm gonna take you guys into my actual workspace and show you what that looks like there. All right, you guys, so here we are in my little epoxy closet. This is my actual epoxy workspace. If you guys saw one of my older videos, you'd see that old epoxy covered table and my old turner that we used to have like cornered into the corner of the closet there. It was super awkward. Anyway, so this is a much nicer setup for me. My old logo up there. It's much cleaner in here, obviously, too. And one thing I wanted to show you guys was this rack that we built. We showed you guys in a different video how to make this particular rack, but this rack works with these cup chucks perfectly. So I didn't have to change up my system on how I do things. Everything integrated perfectly. Anytime I want to work on a cup, I just pull it off of my little thing there. Get it on here. Okay. And then you switch it on and you're good to go. I put an extra little light up here if I need it. And obviously I should do a better job of protecting the shelf, but there's that. So I've got all my stuff up here. I've got some extra lights. I got my garbage can, my torch, my dirty old epoxy chair where I sit and work when I'm in here. And I wanted to show you guys too, like how small of a profile this cup turner has. You could do, I think they sell up to a 6 cup turner. You could do 2 6 cup turners stacked on either, stacked on top of each other, and they would fit perfectly in a space like this. This is a 28-inch 4 cup turner, and I still have plenty of room for more if I want to add on later. So just for size reference, that big wooden box down there on the bottom is my old cup turner. Granted, I'm down 4 turners from the old one, but it's still so much less space even if I were to add another 4 cup turner on top of this. So if you guys are short on space like I am, I think you would really love this Turner. And not to mention, listen to how quiet it is. So nice. So I'm really happy with this setup. I'm really happy with my new Turner. Thank you, Kim and Neil. Thank you, TheBoan. We absolutely love you guys. If you want to check them out, if you want to see their shop, there is a link down below in the description box, as well as an exclusive discount code. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on Saturday. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.